Practice set 9, question number 1. Convert into improper fraction. Now this is mixed fraction, or we can say mixed number. This mixed number we have to convert into improper fraction. So let us start. How we will write? 7, we will start from denominator. 5 multiplied by 7 plus 2. 5 multiplied by 7 plus 2 upon denominator will be in place of denominator, because we have to write fraction. So fraction has numerator and denominator both. Now multiplication and addition. Remember, always we have to multiply first and add later on. As per BODMAS rule also, we will be multiplying first and then we will be adding. So 5 sevens are 35 plus 2 upon 5, which is our final answer to this is 37 upon 5. Now this is improper fraction. Improper fraction wherein numerator is bigger than denominator. Let us see second one. Again, starting from denominator, we have to go in circular from down. So this is circle. 6 into 5 plus 1 upon denominator as it is. So 6 5s are 30 plus 1. This gives us 31 upon 6. Next, third one. 4 3 upon 4. Again, starting with denominator, 4 multiplied by 4 plus 3. Denominator 4 as it is. So 4 4s are 16 plus 3 upon 4, which gives us 19 upon 4, our final answer. Let us see fourth one. 2 5 upon 9. Starting with 9, again going in circular form. So 9 2s are plus 5. Down to up multiply and then your add upon 9. So 9 2s are 18 plus 5. 18 plus 5 gives us 23 upon 9, our final answer. Question number 5. 1 5 upon 7. This is 1. 1 5 upon 7. This is as homework. This sum is for homework. Okay. Let's see question number 2. Convert into mixed number. Previous one's opposite. Here we converted mixed number into improper fraction. Now we have to convert improper fraction to mixed number. So very easy trick. What we will do? We will just do the division. 30 inside, 7 outside. Numerator inside, denominator outside. 7 4s are 28. 2, remainder 2. Now we cannot divide. 2 doesn't comes in 7's table, so we will stop here. Now how to do this mixed number? Yeah, there is one trick I gave you all, that is quotient, remainder upon divisor. So what's the quotient? 4. What's the remainder? 2. And what's the divisor? 7. Denominator will be same. No change in denominator. It will be same. So therefore 30 upon 7 is 4 2 upon 7. See, from improper fraction we made mixed number or mixed fraction simply by dividing. Next, 7 upon 4. Numerator inside, denominator outside. 4 1s are 4. Now 3 doesn't comes in 4's table, it is smaller than 4. So we will stop here. Again, to write mixed number, quotient, remainder upon divisor. So quotient is 1 remainder is 3, divisor is 4. So this is our answer. Therefore 7 upon 4 is 1, 3 upon 4. Third one, 15 upon 12. Again, numerator inside, denominator outside. 12 ones are 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. Now this is quotient, remainder, and this is our divisor. Quotient, remainder upon divisor gives 1, 3 upon 12. This is our answer. Therefore 15 upon 12 equals 1, 3 upon 12. Next, 11 upon 8. Again, 11 inside, 8 outside. 8 ones are 8. We cannot divide this, so we will stop here. Again, this is quotient, remainder, and divisor. So quotient, remainder, divisor. What we will get? 1, 3, 8. Therefore 11 upon 8 is 1, 3 upon 8. Now fifth one and sixth one are for homework. Fifth sum and sixth sum is for homework. Now let us see question number 3. What it says, write the following example using fraction. First one means this example we have to write in fraction form. First one says, if 9 kg rice is shared amongst 5 people, how many kilogram of rice does each person get? Now, let us write quantity of rice. How much is the quantity? 9 kg. Number of people, among how many people we have to share? 5 people we have to share. Now remember, whenever we are dividing or we are sharing, quantity or the thing which we are going to share comes in numerator, and in denominator comes the number in how much it is to be shared. So your question says, how many kilograms of rice each person get? So kilogram of rice each person get. In numerator, I'll show you. Numerator, denominator. In numerator, always write thing which we have to share, and in denominator, always we will be writing number of people or number of thing among which they have to be shared. So in numerator, we have to write thing. What thing we are sharing here? Rice we are sharing. How much it is? 9 kg. So in numerator, what we will write? 9 kg. In denominator, what we have to write? Number of people. How many number of people are there? 5. So see, 9 upon 5, this becomes fraction form. And that's what question says. Write the following example using fraction. Second one is also similar. To make 5 shirts of same size, 11 meter of cloth is needed. How much cloth is needed for one shirt? Now, length of cloth is how much? Length of cloth is 11 meters. Number of shirts is 5. Now shirt or cloth, we will write cloth. Cloth needed for one shirt. Again, in numerator, what we have to do? We have to write thing which we have to share. What thing we are sharing? Cloth. We have to share cloth here. We have to divide cloth. So how much is the cloth? 11 meter. Upon. Denominator says number in which it has to be divided. Here there were number of people. Here we have number of shirts. So it's 5. Again 11 upon 5 is in fraction form. Okay.